Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by like really quick. So this morning, I was well, it started yesterday. I was listening to an audiobook, and I generally would do that when I'm working. I'll listen to audiobooks. And this one particular audiobook that I was listening to um this one particular audiobook that I was thank you for your payments. A couple of them just came through. Um, it's called YouTube The Ultimate Guide. So the guy who wrote the book is Sean Connell. He's a big old YouTuber here on YouTube, right? So he was given the story about his friend Benji, who started a YouTube channel, but because Benji started to get a lot of negative comments and I guess feedback from, like people on there and stuff, he said Benji couldn't handle it. Like he literally stepped back because he couldn't handle it. See, ain't no way. Ain't no way. I don't even know you. And even in real life, you're not going to have no control over me like that. That is crazy to me. Like when I heard him saying it in the audio video, because I have Audible. So on Audible, I was able to, like listen to it because I have the membership, because I listen to a lot of audiobooks while I'm working. Mostly self-empowerment, business, anything that's uplifting and encouraging and something I can learn from. So he was saying that about him, and I'm like, wow, how crazy that is that a person would allow people that he don't even know to say things about him, and he internalized those things and then base a decision on what he's going to do on what these people say. That is like the craziest thing to me ever. But I said that to say a lot of you guys are building up your YouTube channels. You're uploading a lot more videos. And I'm going to tell you something that I do know and something that I am learning. The bigger your channel get, the more ignorance is going to come at you. So it'll be comments, because I do see in every last one of my videos, there is a not like, and that's cool. That is absolutely positively cool. And when I look at it, I could care less. It's like maybe the person just don't enjoy the video. And that's fine with me. I don't have a problem with that. I'm not internalizing any of that type of stuff. And then for somebody that don't even know these people to allow these people to stop him from doing something is the craziest concept to me. It's like you don't even know these people. You could address them, say what you want to say to them, and then keep the party moving. To me, that's like a certain type of control. So when you do start getting negativity coming your way at your channel, because you're gonna get it and you probably already got it, don't internalize none of that stuff. We don't know these people. And even if we did know these people, don't let them people affect how you are doing what it is that you're doing. Don't internalize that stuff. It's like, get up out of here with that. Your ignorance and all the other stuff that comes along with you. But anyway, I want to stop by and say that. Was it a really good book? No, not really. It was just like listening to someone that was telling a story, right? That's basically what it was. It wasn't, not a whole lot of something that I don't already know. And also in my Amazon store, I added some books that are YouTube books, business books, and some other books in there that I listen to or have already read. So those are in the Amazon store. So you're welcome to bounce over there if you have Audible. If you have Audible and you can listen to, the books, that would be a good thing for you to do, because a lot of you guys are building up your channels and you're doing a whole lot of good stuff. Emails, let me do this real quick. Emails, I did get emails this morning. This is a trip. I got something from a company. They make plant-based shoes. If you don't stop, they're like the prettiest things you ever did see, but they're plant-based shoes. Okay. So their their placement is going to be in the next digital magazine. And I got like a lot of more, stuff that came in this morning. I mean, like a whole lot that came in this morning. So I do have to go through all of those and look through it and all that good stuff. So if you are a regular, like diehard from the beginning, or if you're still thinking about being in the September digital magazine, you got to reach out to me at jewelrybybdk@gmail.com. I will send you the invoice and I will send you the photo release form. And then that way I can get you in like now, because a lot before I even look through all this other kind of stuff. Because if you, and see, that's the whole thing too. It's like if at least 10 of you guys that have been with the channel from the very beginning, if you want to ride this out with me, I'm telling you, on the back end, you will not be disappointed. So it's like, if I can get 10 of you guys that are just solid and serious about what it is that you're doing, and you trust what I am doing, I'm telling you, you do your part, I'll do my part. And remember, I'm going to always do my part. And the reason why I'm going to always do my part is because my whole everything is Jewelry by BDK. So even if there's nobody else, I'm still going to do what it is that I'm doing, because I'm doing it for Jewelry by BDK. However, remember, there's room for others. So if you want to come along, if you're up for the work, if you're up for the challenge, let me see, what is her name? I got to send you another email, because I asked you to remove what's those things, logos from the images, and you did remove those. However, when I went back in to look at the pictures, I can't use those pictures. The reason why I can't use those pictures is because it's not a full image. So I need like the full image. I need no logos, no anything on the picture. This is in general now. No logos on the pictures. It has to be a full picture where I can see the entire picture. If you haven't seen the magazine, go look at the magazine. I'm gonna put a link down here somewhere. Go look at the magazine, and when you look at the magazine, it will give you an idea of what I'm talking about when I'm talking about pictures. They have to be clean. They have to be clear. They have to be the whole image in the picture. No darkness, no none of that kind of stuff. So look at the magazine, and the magazine gives you an idea about what your picture should be looking like. In addition to links, the only links that will go in your placement is your website link. So it'll be your www.godisalwaysonmyside.com, right? www.theholyspiritlives.within.me.com, right? Or .net, whatever you choose. But that is the only link that will be in your placement. So when visitors or people of interest click on your link, because inside of the digital magazine, I link your website so that you can click on it within the digital magazine and go to your website. So when people go to your website, on your website is where all those other icons, the social icons should be, where people can click on those and then go to all your other social platforms and everything. I'm not putting all these different links on there. I'm not doing that. It's disorganization and it's not professional. So one link, that's to your website. And if you don't have the website, I can link it to your Instagram, or something like that. What else was it? I think that was all. But as you build your channel, don't let these people bother you. Do what you do what you love, keep it moving. That's all there is. There ain't no more. And guess what, family? We'll talk.